Hi everyone, here's a quick video of an unboxing and build of the little mini Tamiya Bigwig. Here's some shots from around the outside of the box. The contents in the box. Now everything out of the box. Okay, let's get into the build. Starting off doing a bit of painting. Decided to do some of the stickering while waiting for the paint to dry. Here's the body all done. Now onto the chassis, putting the axles and wheels on, all the gears. Now fitting the electric motor. Got the batteries in and gave it a quick test. Here it is with the body on. It looks pretty cool. Here it is with my re-release Bigwig and also my original Bigwig. Thanks for watching everyone. If you did enjoy it, please hit that like button, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel and check out all our other content. Thank you.